first. It's gonna go, give me. One, ready? Mm-hmm. 1 and 2. Go. 1 and 2. Okay? Mm-hmm. Pretty easy, right? Yeah. So it goes, give me. And we're gonna step over, and it goes more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4. And then it's gonna kick, down, front, soccer kick, back. We'll try that one again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Give me more. Give me. And then when we come down, it's go more. Yep.
That's easier for your socks. For your socks.
I'll go up and
I
will take off my shoes like the cha-cha. Whack! Did you see that?
I have no idea what you're talking about. I will monitor. You know this.
Cha! Hold on. Cha! Okay, anyways, okay. So, let's go again. Easier in the socks.
Yep. Well, that part is.
5, 6, 7, 8. Give me more. Kick. Do. Back. Boom.
Yep. It's easier in the socks.
It's easier in socks. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Give me more. Give me more. And then it goes, oh gosh. I think it just goes boom, 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 boom,
Yes.
boom, boom. 6, 7, 8. Give me more. Give me. And then it goes boom, 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 boom. Yeah. So kick together, and then it just goes boom, 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 boom. My favorite move.
Is that the whole thing?
That's the whole thing, but it's really fast.
Oh, okay.
So try again.
Yep.
5, 6, 7, 8. Give me more. Give me more. I don't know if that's how it goes. And then yeah, dun, boom, 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 boom. It's like that. It take me like 500 times to do, so it'll be good practice. The first part, it's gonna like, I'll say 5, 6, 7, 8 when it's time. Maybe. I'll try. Okay, so it's ready. It's gonna go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's gonna go again. It's gonna go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We did that loop 3 times, what, 5? So we probably did it 15 or 20 times.
Maybe 20.
Oh, maybe 20. Maybe 25. I don't know. But we're going to do it right now. Okay, you ready? Hopefully this is ready. Is it playing? Okay. Again. Good job. So, yeah. So I'll put a completed one up, and then you can Practice, practice. Please tag me. My IG is Lauren Tipton _.